Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Hey, that was my line.
No, people just say that when they like to.
No, you say it whenever you want to.
Well, you're pretty awkward. I should call you Awkward Marine. You're Awkward Marine.
Hey, don't say that back to me. I'm not an awkward Marine.
Oops, sorry. I shake the ground because I'm so mad. And I say, nice to meet you whenever I want. No, you just say it to be polite to people. You know, when you've never seen them before and you're just so happy to meet them, or you heard of them, or Mom said you're meeting them tomorrow. Okay?
All right, have it your way. Have a teacher talk.
What's a tater talk? Okay, this is your way, okay? It's my line, and I say it when I meet people. Say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Woo, 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 woo. I'm alive. You're dumb. So what?